All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, my matte screen protector is off, and I'm just rocking it bare bones like this with nothing on it right now. Here is the matte screen protector. So eventually what started to happen is down the center, the more and more I folded, and this thing cost $13, and it was total was like $14 after everything. I took it off though, because the more and more I folded the device, it just didn't hold up. It started to get like the crease down the center. And then it eventually just came loose in the center portion of the screen where I fold. So I just decided to take it off. I've already ordered another set, and hopefully those go good. I didn't pay 14 bucks for it. I found a full set, front, back, innards, everything for $4. I just have to wait for it to come in. But this is kind of disappointing that this has already failed. So I'm going to email the seller and see if they'll ship me out another one, because this is failed. It's messed up already. So, but I do say that not having a screen protector on here, ooh, it sure is beautiful. Like a matte screen protector in the screen. If you take your screen protector off, you're gonna feel the true feel of this display. It is just absolutely great, man. I mean, it just feels fantastic to not have anything on here. But not for long. I'm gonna make sure I put my matte screen protector back on here, because I just like matte screen protectors. I don't like all the fingerprints and anything like that. And that's exactly what you get when you have something like this, a clear one on there. So folding this in and open those so many times, it basically just gave in. It gave in, and this screen protector, this wasn't cheap. I guess you can kind of see right down the center how it's like it's starting to just, I guess, break or crack or whatever. I don't understand. It's still good on this side, but along here, it's just, I don't know, man. It's not a good look. It started to get these real choppy bubbles in the center that wouldn't go away. So that sucks. But nonetheless, I still have one of the best displays out there. It is just fantastic. Loving the phone, but wanted to give an update on that screen protector. And I told you guys I would update you on some of the things that I purchased. So now I'm going to email the seller and tell them, hey, your screen protector failed. What you going to do about it? And we'll see what they say. Other than that, real brief video. Some people say, oh, I wouldn't take the screen protector off, the factory one from Samsung. You guys don't have the phone probably, or if you do have it, you're just really nervous. But taking your screen protector off of this phone isn't going to do anything. You still get, it's actually better without Samsung screen protectors that they put on, that pre-installed one. It's really nice without. The screen is way more punchy and vibrant. It looks better. And it's not as oily actually either, with that little sticker I guess they put on there, if you want to call it a screen protector. But other than that, I love it, man. It feels great. No problems with it like this, and I'll just continue to rock it like this until I get the new screen protectors in. So I want to give you a quick update, man. Show you that, you know, hey, I'm bare bones now on the inside, but it is what it is. I think a lot of people took theirs off and they love it like this, just plain. They didn't put anything else on it. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.